Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair, and listen, I'm furious right now. Lifetime transmission fluid is a lie. There is no such thing. There, I said it. You heard it right here. Lifetime transmission fluid is a lie. The manufacturers tell you your transmission has lifetime transmission fluid. You know why? So they can make more money. That's why. They want to sell you a transmission. Do they make more money selling you fluid, or do they make more money selling your transmission? Guess what? They make more money selling your transmission. So now you see. So every fluid breaks down first. The fluid is going to break down. It's scientifically going to happen. A fluid breaks down. So we have a chart that we've gotten with our experience, with our technicians, OEM specs, product manufacturers. We've gotten with several different collaborates to come up with a chart, and we've designed our own chart that we use specifically in EC Auto Repair to help our customers get the very most life out of their vehicle, out of their transmission, and most of all, out of their fluid. You know how we do that? We do it with great maintenance. About every 30,000 miles, we're going to recommend a fluid exchange. You know how often 30,000 miles is for most people? For most people, 30,000 miles is every couple years. Unless you're me, I drive tons and tons of miles a year. But for most people, they drive 12 to 15,000 miles a year. So literally for $150 a year, you can negate a lifetime transmission lie. And I'll see you in the next video.